A lot of people are asking whether there'll be any flexibility in the way that Ofsted looks at the curriculum under the new framework. And the answer is yes. Our curriculum is a framework that sets out the aims of a programme of study. It gives it structure and narrative. And within that, it's clear about the knowledge, skills and understanding that pupils need to gain as part of their learning. And it sets clear endpoints. All pupils in maintained schools are expected to follow the national curriculum. Academies have curricular freedom, but the curriculum that they set out should be of a similar breadth and ambition to the national curriculum. And within those parameters, as long as schools are working within those parameters, it's for them to adopt or design and build the curriculum that is right for their context. There are really difficult choices when adopting or building a curriculum. Some knowledge is uncontroversial, be it French verbs, algebra, osmosis, whether certain historical events took place. Other knowledge is much more contested, and the key thing is that schools make those decisions with thought and care. Ofsted recognises the importance of schools' autonomy to choose their curriculum approaches. And it's really important for us to say that under the new education inspection framework, schools taking radically different approaches to the curriculum will be judged fairly.